This white light, right, is an optical illusion. It tends to make the apple pop. It's a light reflecting on the apple. You see the light also reflecting from this angle as well. I found this pencil today. It's a regular pencil. I found this book. Tell me this is some kind of creative divine intervention. So ambiguity means indecisiveness when I'm becoming famous. So things don't work out in the way in which we anticipated, but you still end up having favorable and advantageous outcomes. I found this book a couple days ago, and I found this pencil today. And I assumed that it was God trying to tell me indirectly that, hey, you need to probably put the computer down and start sketching. Literally.